Hello, today I'm going to do an unboxing of a 27-inch LG monitor for our computer. So I just bought this and let's get started. Before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, so before unboxing, it's always better to do a quick inspection of the box, and I just noticed that it says do not open here, so I'm not going to open from here. And if we turn the box the other way and I'm looking for a place to open, and I see this open here, so I'm going to use this cutter and cut the tape. Tape like that, pretty easy. Okay. Okay, now I have cut the tape. I will place it like this, and okay. So first up we have some kind of cover. Let's see what this is later. The power cable, and it comes with an HDMI cable, and a CD, owner's manual, and some couple of screws, warranty card, and some instruction manual as well. And also we have power adapter. Yep, power adapter. Then this is the stand, I guess. This part is the base. Let's take all this one out. And let's lift up the monitor. This is the monitor. So we got two HDMI ports and one VGA port, and probably this is a power something, yeah, power port as well. So yeah, let's assemble this monitor, and let's after assembling, let's get back to you. Okay, I have set up the monitor, as you can see. So this is going to be my new working from home setup. The viewing angle of the monitor is not that great, as you can see. Now when you go to the side, you start not seeing it. So I chose 27-inch because it's neither too small or too big, and it's kind of the perfect screen size for me. so that's why I chose 27 inch. So far so good. So far I like the display, but I couldn't use the volume of the monitor because it says you need a display port, but in my MacBook I am using HDMI, so the volume is coming from the MacBook, so not the monitor itself. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.